Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the MCQ questions that was asked in Replicon today. So there will be 12 MCQ questions which you need to answer in 15 minutes. So we shall discuss all the questions. So the first question is a website can be. So there will be only technical questions related to HTML and CSS. So there is no any aptitude questions. So we shall discuss the questions. So the first question is a website can be considered as secure when the URL contains HTTPS, HSSL, SSL or FTPS. So you can say a URL, it can be considered as secured if it has a website which starts with HTTPS. So the option A is the correct answer for the first question. So the second question is how do you insert a copyright symbol on an HTML page? So ampersand copy, ampersand copyright. So the next thing is hash copyright and @copy. So to insert a copyright symbol on an HTML page we use ampersand copy. So you can say the option A is the correct answer, which is ampersand copy. So the third question is all the elements they are identified by their dash and are marked using either start tags or end tags or self-closing tags. So in HTML we can say there is attribute name. So option A is class name, option B is none, option C is tag name and the option D is attribute name. So you can say the attribute name. So that is the D is the correct answer for the third question. So next one is the fourth question. Which attribute used in table element sets the width in pixels between the edge of the cell, its individual cells? So option A is cell padding, spacing, cell spacing as well as align. So in the question they have given which sets the width in pixel between the edge of the cell and also individual cells. So individual cells means you can say cell spacing. So the option C, which is nothing but so option C, that is cell spacing, is the correct answer for the fourth question. So the fifth question, the tag which is used to specify the illustrations, diagrams and the photos is, so the tag that is picture tag, details tag, figure and image. So in image you can only, with the image tag you can add image, that is URL, photos, but they have told diagrams, illustrations also. So you can say the option C, that is the figure tag, it is used to specify the illustrations, diagrams and photos. So the sixth question is how do you insert a comment in HTML? So option A, option B and option C. So you can say in an HTML we can say that we can insert a comment using an exclamatory mark. So that is the option B is the correct answer for the sixth question. So the seventh question, what is the use of BR tag? So whether the BR tag it is used for adding a line break. So as the name indicates, BR is nothing but it is used to break a line. So it is used for adding a line break. So it is not used for adding a sentence break or page break. So it is used for adding a line break. So that is option A is the correct answer for the seventh question. So the next one is the eighth question. Which of the following attribute adds the audio controls like play, pause and volume in HTML audio player? So the option A is audio, option B source, that is SRC, option C source and the next one is the option D is the control. So the attribute which is used to add the audio controls like play, pause and volume. So we can say the attribute is the control. That is the D is the correct answer for the eighth question. And the ninth question. To insert a video, we use a video tag and set its SRC attribute to the local or remote URL containing a playable movie. So whether it is true, whether this sentence it is true or false. So to insert a video, we use a video tag. So it is correct. And also you need to use an SRC attribute to local or remote URL which is containing a playable movie. So you can say the statement is correct. So the option A, that is true, is the correct answer. So the 10th one is how to add external CSS in a HTML document. So in an HTML document, how can you add an external CSS? So using meta tag, no. Second option is using a script tag, using a header tag and using a link tag. So if you are adding an HTML, so if you are adding a CSS in an HTML document, so you need to use a script tag. So that is option B is the correct answer for the 10th question, that is using the scripted tag you can add an external CSS in an HTML document. So the 11th question, the tag which is used to define the navigation links. So there is a particular tag for defining the navigation links, that is nav tag. So this tag, it is used to define the navigation links in an HTML. So this is all about the section 1, and the 12th question, it is again there is a statement in which you need to say whether the statement is true or false. So then coming to the section 2, so there will be coding framework, so which you need to do it in 30 minutes. So in this case, so there will be 3 different. So you can either do the coding in HTML, CSS or JavaScript. So the task is you need to create a web page like this. So this is a web page, so which you need to create. So you can use either HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript. So with various tags you can create this web page. So this is the task. So you need to do it in 30 minutes. So you can use the paragraph, line break, everything, and you need to create a login page like this. So this is the task, so which is included in the section 2. So these are the 2 sections that was asked in the Replicon test. So you can go through this video and you can take the test. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.